Our research underlines that after a major hazard strikes, we rarely see a truly impartial process of rehabilitation, in which relative needs are assessed and then prioritized. Instead, we see competing viewpoints and interests in a representational arena. Many of the ideas there are reactive, politicized, and contested. Representations of recovery can have profound effects on people's chances to restore their livelihoods and well-being, particularly for those whose voices become sidelined. We need to shift representations of recovery to match the needs and voices of those most affected. Indeed, some disaster-affected people already try to do this through creative arts, advocacy, litigation, and protest. Recovery interventions should take a long-term, holistic approach. They should bring more marginalized groups into the planning process, and they should be adapted to new circumstances as they unfold. And this has to continue long after the disaster event, because many impacts take time to truly surface.